Hello there, this is Sean Greasley and welcome to tutorial 2 of our SQL tutorials. In this tutorial we will be discussing the select statement in basic detail and the insert statement. Okay, let's begin. You should have previewed tutorial 1 because we will be using this table creation method within this tutorial, which is kind of a follow-up to pen some of the column headers we have in here. Okay, let's try and view our table and all the data inside of it. Okay, to view data we use what is called a select statement. So select star from the name of our table. Okay, this is a select statement. This means we're selecting these fields from this table name. We know that our table is called profile. We know we want these data things from this table. The star is used as a wildcard for all. If you're used to the Windows operating system, you might have seen something like this before. This is like a wildcard for a file extension and a wildcard for a file name. So what star is in SQL is a kind of like a wildcard. It means all. So select all data entries from this table name. We execute it, and as you can see it says no rows selected. This is because we do not actually have any data in this table. If you remember from the first tutorial, we just created the table, but we never actually entered any data into this. In order to enter data into our table, we use what is called an insert statement. With the insert statement, you put insert here. You then put insert into the name of your table. Then you put values, like so. So this is the basis of our insert statement. What we put here is insert into. So we want to insert something into this table name, these values. So insert these values into this table name. But of course with SQL it's writing the English grammar quite differently. But if you think of it like this, insert into the table we've created the values. Inside the parenthesis, if you remember, it's similar to our create table one here. So when you're inserting values, you do need to know what the fields are within the table. So if we just get them up using the describe function, which we previewed in tutorial number 1, like so. As you can see, we have name, age, and date of birth. So let's insert some data into these. So with name, let's enter a name here. Then we need to enter age. Do remember that integers do not have quotes around them. They are just a standalone number like so. But with varchar type specifiers, you do need the single quotes here. Then our last field, which is a date of birth. Let's say 27/8/2004. 4, 5, 6. Well, it doesn't matter. We can put anything in here. I was trying to work it out exactly, but say 1977. I think that works out about right anyway. So, okay. Do remember that when you insert something of type date, we need to write the month in letter format like so. And do remember the single quotes, and there is no comma after the last entry. So once we have done the insert command, we press execute. As you can see, it says 1 row created. Okay, then let's insert another value. For example, Darren. We'll put him here as 18. And I think that would make him 86. Execute this, and another row created. Okay. Let's backtrack onto our select statement, which we generated briefly. Select the wildcard statement from the table name profile. And as you can see, here are the values we have created. Sean and Darren, of age 27 and 18, and the date of birth is as follows. So, I've been Sean Greasley, talking you through tutorial number 2 of our SQL tutorials. In this tutorial you should have become more familiar with the insert statement and the select statement within the SQL environment. Thank you for listening and stay tuned to tutorial 3. Goodbye.